Hello, and thank you for your interest in the enterprise version of Zmanda Recovery Manager for MySQL. My name is Cyril Martinez, and I want to take a moment to walk you through a typical downloaded installation of ZRM Enterprise on a Linux or Solaris server. To start, let's take a look at the Zmanda.com homepage. Zmanda offers 3 products for your backup and recovery needs: Zmanda Enterprise, ZRM Enterprise, and Zmanda Cloud Backup. Today we'll be talking about our Zmanda Recovery Manager Enterprise version. If interested in further information on ZRM, please visit the Zmanda.com website and click on our ZRM section, which provides an overview of the product's capabilities, our webinar and training schedule, datasheets, white papers, and demonstrations of ZRM. Let's take a look at where this all starts, our Customer Resource Center. To start using the Zmanda network, create a free account and log in. For the installation today, we'll go ahead and use a sample account. Welcome to the Zmanda Network homepage. It's your portal to our products and allows you to create and manage your account. Once you've purchased the Zmanda Recovery Manager, the Download, Documentation, and Support tabs will appear at the top. Under the Download tab, we'll find the ZRM installer and license file. The first link is to your license. To start, let's go ahead and click on the blue link and download the Zmanda license file to your system. Underneath are the instructions for the location and permissions needed for ZRM to find and use the license. In the platform box, select your operating system. Today, we're installing the Linux server, which is a universal version. Over on the right is the MD5 hash, which will verify the integrity of your download. With the Linux server selected, click on the ZRM server installer link to download. On this system, we have the Zmanda license and installer file downloaded already. Using the MD5 sum program, we can verify the installer downloaded without issue. Here we are. Good news! The MD5 sums match between the website and our download, which means we downloaded without any corruption. One last bit before we start the install. ZRM Enterprise requires your Zmanda license to be installed on the ZRM server. Under the Download tab, click on Download License. Once the file is downloaded, move it into the etc Zmanda directory, and once there, set the permissions to 644. With this set, we can proceed to the installation. Our installer is a binary executable, but if we take a look, we'll see that the execution bit is not set. To fix this, we run chmod to set the file's executable flag. With the flag set, let's go ahead and run that installer. On a native Linux console, we include a graphical user interface, but today we'll do the install from the command line. Carefully read the end user license agreement. If you accept, type Y and hit enter to begin the installation. ZRM management is done through a web-based GUI, and as part of the installation we check to verify that the HTTPS port is available and select it for you. If the port is in use, a prompt will appear at this screen to ask for an alternative port. Our installer detects the distribution and selects the correct package as it unpacks. While that's happening, let's go take a look at the Zmanda Recovery Manager documentation. Back on our website, we select the Documentation tab and head over to ZRM. Here we'll find the system requirements at the top, the user manual, and various guides for unique features of our product. Most Linux distributions include the required software by default, but it's a good idea to check the page and verify all the necessary packages are installed, especially when using alternative backup features like snapshotting and extra backup. Our server install includes the ZRM client package already, but when ready to back up other MySQL installs, it is important to check the ZRM Enterprise component link, which includes information on the requirements and steps for successfully installing the client on those systems. Remember that each MySQL server we want to back up needs an installation of the Zmanda Recovery Manager client. With that out of the way, we'd like to point out the most important link, the ZRM User Manual. The manual provides information on each screen of ZRM and the capabilities of our software. We offer support directly from your Zmanda network page. At the top are the links to create cases, check open cases, and view your case history. All the correspondence with support is stored here for your account, and you can access it at any time. Below, the Zmanda knowledge base lists the most common issues and questions. In the knowledge base, we offer answers for the most frequently encountered questions. Here's an example, how to recover the ZRM admin's password. At the top, you can search for a particular article. After the files unpack, the installation scripts begin. It is critical that this operation not be interrupted. Once the installation completes, we can log into ZRM using the default login and password. It's at the top here. Admin. We recommend that this be changed after installation to secure your ZRM server. Now that we're installed, let's go ahead and take a look at the ZRM interface. Zmanda Recovery Manager for MySQL offers both a web-based GUI and a command line interface. Due to the installer using a self-signed certificate, a warning will appear on most browsers. Once accepted, we can go ahead and log in. The default login is admin. Once logged in, we'll see the Zmanda Network login prompt. If an account is linked, we offer update and patch notifications directly within the GUI. They can also be found on your Zmanda Network homepage. Thank you for your interest in our Zmanda Recovery Manager for MySQL. We look forward to serving your backup needs. For more information, contact info@zmanda.com or visit our homepage at zmanda.com.